Hi guys, this video is about making sure that you check before you go through a green traffic light. Now that might seem a little bit weird, but you really do need to check before you go through your green traffic light. Now, I was contacted by one of my instructors recently. He was doing a driving lesson and it turned out he was doing a lesson on traffic lights and roundabouts, and he said to his pupil, don't forget, you've got to make sure that you check before you go through green lights. And the pupil looked a bit confused and said, well, but my light's green, so why do I need to check? Surely it's going to be safe. And he says, you know, you've got to look out for the people who might not be stopping on the other side, which might have a red light. So the pupil then set off on the lesson and they did a few junctions, and lo and behold, they came to a set of traffic lights and they were waiting, and their light was red initially, and then their light went green, and as all the traffic started to move, another car came through on the other side on a red light. And it just proves the point that you need to check, because not everyone's paying attention, not everyone wants to stick to the rules. So it's really important that you abide by this and you do look when you go through your traffic light control junction. So it just proves the point. So I'm going to put the video up after this. I'm going to tag it on to the end of this so you can just have a little look. I think it's you know, near the start. I'll trim the video and it's kind of near the start, and you'll blatantly see the car go through the red light anyway. Pop a little comment on there if you think, you know, it was interesting, if you feel like it was useful. Maybe speak to your driving instructor on your next lesson and talk about checking through green lights. If they've never mentioned it, maybe you could mention it. I've got one or two little sayings. The first saying is Bob the bank robber, and also the old-fashioned saying is watch out for the amber gamblers. So, you know, there's a couple of little kind of rhymes that you can remember. But check out the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you felt like this was a useful video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.